command is printf. What is the printf? So, the printf command is an alternative of your echo command. It is a similar, it is the alternative of that. So, example again we can use in two different ways, like printf you give in double quotes hello world. In echo what we did? What is the difference here, printf and echo? There was no double quotes, right, but here we have to specify the double quotes, right. So, it will print as it is. If you want the new line to will have a new line character, then we can use escape sequence, which is for /n. So, once you give, it will be new line will come like this, printf hello world /n, how we used to do in C programming. Okay. It will give the same result hello world and the command like this next line. So, clear? So far clear? So, I will also show you along with that. Okay. So, what I said, you have to use printf and I will give hello world and enter, same result, right. Again, if I print /n enter, okay, you can see the difference, right. So, hope it is clear, right, no doubt so far. Now, definitely if you know, then you can say that, otherwise we can use even printf without double quotes. Let us use and see what result we are getting. Okay. What happened? What happened here? We are using even without double quotes, but result between the previous printf with double quotes and without double quotes, there is a difference, right. So, if I use printf hello world, it will print the hello world, but there should be no space in between. If you think that no, I will write some other sentence hello world hello enter, but still it is print hello. So, if you use without double quotes, only first argument with the, if it is space is there, only first argument will be printed as a result. Clear guys? Clear? If you have any question, you can ask, you can stop, you can ask me. Okay? So, that is what it is mentioned here, printf can be used without double quotes also, but printf terminate when a space is encountered. That is what it happened now. So, the moment when a space appears, that means it will ignore whatever the sentence is written, only it will print the first sentence what you have given before the space, that is the first argument. That is what the example was there, right, and hello world. Clear guys? Any questions so far? So, see, I am writing this much for the printf. So, in the examination also same way, if you write, no one can reduce your marks, remember. So, what will be the syntax? See, nowhere I have given you the syntax. What syntax you will form by yourself? I am not given syntax, example only I am giving. What syntax will be there? What is the syntax for printf? Printf space argument, right? And then examples. So, printf command can be used to like format a specifier, already you have used in other programming. Same way here also you can use for %s, %d, %f, %o, %x, right? This all you can use. And the value of variables, please, the value of variable can be displayed along with the printf command. Here is the example. So, if you write printf current shell is %s/n space $shell. Give this command and see what result you are getting. Done, guys? Did you try what result you are getting? So, I have to type printf in within quotes current shell is %s/n right. So, I am getting your current shell. What is the current shell? I am using /usr/bin/z shell we are using. So, this is the actually architecture of your Unix. So, file architecture is /usr/bin. Think that I have used capital letter shell. What will happen if I use a small cell? No result, because already I have mentioned that it is the case sensitive. You have to write correctly the command, otherwise it won't work. So, if you write even first letter capital S and small letter all HEL, then obviously it will not, result is also in hell only, right. So, you should write capital letter shell. There is again we will be learning in future, there is something called as capital letter home and a small home. There is also differences there. There is one home variable, one is the home environment variable, that also we will learn. Clear? So, you can format a specifier, you can use based on your usage. So, when you write the system programming, that time you can use it. Okay. So, this is the result. Even if you want to print like any hexadecimal or octal value also, you can print like this, value of 138 is %x. So, it will give you an hexadecimal, and if you give %o, octal value of the particular value will be printed. Clear? Clear, guys? If you have any question, you can ask now. Open for the question now.